Hello. It's dark over there, but the camera doesn't get a clear shot.
Oh yeah, no, I like that. It's kind of like pinky orangey.
I gotta spend some of this money and get a halfway decent camera. Remember when I was a kid, I was trying to beat the storm, and I was going past that St. Joseph's Church down. It's now the the Assembly of God.
Yeah.
And I remember looking above the church roof that time, and the sky was just dark.
Crazy. Yeah, it looks a little greenish almost for a little bit here.
Yeah. Holy crap.
So, strawberry.